Hey there, welcome to Integrated Webworks Podcast. My name is Pathik, and today we have an exciting topic to explore, the transformative power of voice search for small businesses. In this episode, we'll deep dive into what voice search is, why it matters for small businesses, the fame it has gained in recent years. We'll even provide you some real-world examples. So let's get started. To kick things off, let's establish a clear understanding of what voice search really is. In essence, voice search allows users to speak into their devices to initiate searches, rather than typing out their queries. Thanks to advancement in natural language processing, our gadgets can now comprehend and interpret spoken languages, making the search experience more intuitive and efficient. Now let's delve into why voice search is a game changer for small businesses. Imagine a local shop owner trying to attract new customers. With voice search, your business can gain a competitive edge by being discoverable when potential customers use voice-activated devices to find nearby products or services. Over the past few years, voice search has gained significant fame, particularly in the realm of local small business searches. Studies show a significant rise in users relying on voice search to find local businesses and services. This trend is reshaping how consumers engage with small businesses. Let's bring this to life with some examples. Picture someone asking their smartwatch, "Where is the best coffee shop near me?" If your cafe has optimized for voice search, your establishment could be recommended, gaining you more visibility and customers. Or consider a potential customer walking from one room to the other room in their own house and notices a leaky ceiling on a stormy night. They might ask the smart speaker, "Find a roofing company near me who's open 24/7. If you are a roofing company and have taken the steps to enhance your voice search visibility, you would have a potential new customer. Let's consider one more example that shows the significant importance of voice search. Imagine a mother sitting in her patio, smiling and watching her 8-year-old son play in a newly built treehouse, when suddenly he missed a step, falls, and sprains his arm. The mother might raise her phone and ask Siri, "Find me the closest urgent care." She does not have the time to type that out while her 8-year-old child is crying in pain. If your urgent care was optimized for voice search, you would have gained a new patient and helped the mother when it mattered the most. Here at Integrated Webworks, as a part of our local marketing strategy, we have been including voice search optimization for over 10 years. This is before smart devices were in every home and every wrist. Our approach has changed significantly in the last 10 years, but we still consider voice search to be a critical part of a local search marketing strategy. This is just the beginning. As voice technology continues to advance, small businesses can explore innovative ways to engage with customers. Whether it's offering personalized recommendations, promoting special offers, or even enabling voice-based transactions, the possibilities are limitless. As we conclude this episode, remember that voice search isn't just a trend, it's a strategic tool for small businesses to thrive in the digital age. By harnessing the power of voice search, you can ensure that your business remains relevant, discoverable, in an increasingly competitive landscape. Thanks for joining us today on the Integrated Webworks Podcast. I hope you found today's episode insightful and inspiring. Stay curious, keep exploring new avenues for your business, and until next time, remember that your small business can have a big voice in the world of voice search. This is Pathik Shah signing off. Take care and happy marketing.